What's going on, guys? Got a little update for you. All the mods that I had mentioned in my previous video, the kartboy shift knob, all the new hardware for the turbo back exhaust pieces, the donut gasket, and I can't remember if I mentioned this, but I got an APR carbon fiber exhaust shield as well. I put that on, so we're just gonna go over that. But first, I wanna show you guys these interior LEDs. So the stock WRX, if you have one, has shitty dim interior lighting. So I bought the Last Fit LED dome light, and it makes a huge difference. I have this on right now, so it's putting a little bit of light into the interior, but let's see if we see a difference. Oh, damn. Do you see how it went from like night to day in there? These make a huge difference. And it really updates the look of the car. It's a nice like 5000 K-ish color temperature. Nice bright white light on the inside. Really big upgrade over that dim yellow light that the stock bulb puts out. So if you're thinking about doing LED dome lights, do it. I like the white. I don't like colored LEDs because it looks tacky to me. So I do the all white. Do whatever you want, but white's also going to give you the brightest output. If you start messing with colors, it's not going to be as bright. So yeah, I thought I'd show you that. We'll see how, boop, dark. All right, so, ooh, actually, you know what? Let's go back into the interior. Don't know why I didn't show you that. So I got the kartboy shift knob. I put the yellow little emblem on there. It comes with a black and silver one too, but it had peeled off of the sticky pad it came on, so it lost some of its tackiness. But I like the yellow one better anyway. I like the contrast it gives to the car, and it also matches the small yellow stripe on the wheel, so those kind of go together. I like the look. It was like 40 bucks. I talked about in my last video, I'm probably going to be getting a 6-speed swap soon, so I didn't want to do some crazy $100+ shift knob to just chuck it or try to sell it when I put the 6-speed swap in here, because these aren't compatible, I don't think. So yeah, got the bunta chilling. Now, hopefully you guys can see this all right. So there's the APR carbon fiber exhaust shield. It looks kind of weird. I mean, it looks good. The fitment's good. It just looks weird because my wheels and tires aren't here yet, which I bought. I will get to that towards the end of the video. So if you can remember, I don't know if I've shown you a before. I'm sure I've shown the exhaust before I put that on. So the previous owner had like a dual exit tip setup, and he cut the bumper shittily, and it was super uneven and looked like shit. So I kind of evened it out and then put that up in there. So now there's no cut marks. It's all even. It's just that one carbon fiber piece, no bullshit cut marks. So I think that's the main reason I got that. I'm glad I did. It said it was 04 to 07 fitment, which is weird because I got the paperwork from APR once the product got here, and it said 02 to 07. Because I said fuck it, and I was just gonna buy it, and then when it got here, I was just gonna cut the bumper however I needed to for it to fit, but it actually snugs up really good. So yeah, 02 through 07, the fitment should be fine. You might have to cut the center section where the stock muffler is. Mine was already cut from the previous owner, and then I cut it out a little bit more, which I didn't have to. I just wanted to even it out. So you might have to do that, but other than that, it's a snug fit. It fits good, so that'll fit on your Bugeye. So that's good to know. What is next? Yeah, you guys saw the STI axle back I put on there. All the exhaust components are hooked up now. I think we can talk about the wheels and tires now. So I was kind of struggling on whether or not to buy wheels and tires, just because when you do a 6-speed swap, if you don't find 04 hubs, you have to swap to the 5x114 bolt pattern hubs. So I didn't want to buy 5x100 wheels and then have to sell them or find 04 hubs, but I just decided to bite the bullet and do it anyways. I really wanted wheels and tires on this car. I didn't want to have to wait to get a 6-speed swap and then do the wheels and tires because that's just annoying. 04 hubs aren't that hard to find. I did a couple quick searches on eBay and just on the internet, and it wasn't too hard to find 04 STI hubs. So when I take a shit now. So when I buy the 04 STI hubs, it'll be fine. I can keep my wheels. So the wheels and tires I'm getting. Wheels are the Rotogrids V's, 17x9. I think it's a plus 42 offset. So I'm not a big fan of the normal Rotogrids. The concave look is just kind of tacky to me. So if you don't know what the Grid V is, it's like a TE37V rep. And what that is essentially, think about a Rotogrid, except now take the concave spokes away, give it a dish, and move the spokes in. So it's like a dished Rotogrid, which looks way better in my opinion. I got it in royal bronze, which is like that gloss dark bronze color. I think it's gonna look sick on silver. And then for tires, I got 255/40 Nitto NT05s. With the offset and the tire width and height, I should be pretty much flush with the fenders front and back. It's at stock height right now, so I don't think I'll need a roll or pull. Coilovers are coming in the near future, along with a bunch of other chassis reinforcement and suspension mods, so you'll have that to look forward to. The wheels and tires should be here the end of next week, so I'll probably have them on the car within the next week and a half or 2 weeks, and I'll do a little, like a video and then time lapse of me putting it on and then the difference before and after. So yeah, that'll be coming. And then, yeah, it's finally starting to come together. I'm staying with the buy once, cry once motto. I saw cheaper exhaust shields that were carbon fiber other than the APR one, but I was like, fuck it, I'm not even gonna try and dick with the cheaper Chinese or Taiwanese crap. I'm glad I didn't, because the APR fit perfectly. So yeah, I think that's about it. It's Friday. I just got home from work about an hour ago, and I put the shield on. It took me like 20 minutes with lining everything up and then drilling the holes. Same with the LED. I put that in today too. So yeah, parts going on. They're gonna keep rolling in, and I can't wait to get this thing out. The weather is actually somewhat decent today. It was like 52 degrees and the sun finally showed its face for the first time in I don't know how long. So the weather's starting to get nicer. I think in the next month or so here we'll be able to take this out and hammer some back roads. So I appreciate your patience. Yeah, so once the wheels and tires get on here, it's not gonna be fully ready to rip some back roads on the stock suspension and whatnot, but it'll grip up pretty good. So we'll take it on a little test drive in the next couple weeks here. Don't want to drag the video out too much longer. I'll update you guys when I get the wheels and tires. All right, later.